Okay, we're cold calling today, me and Sheina. All right, here's the mental preparation. Here's what it looks like. Here's what it sounds like. Grab your computer, open up Mojo, dial the pin and go. We don't need to think. We don't need to do jumping jacks. If you want to mentally prepare, get your opener down. You know, like, hey, Anthony, it's John with Douglas Elliman. I got 2 quick questions for you. You got 30 seconds. Blah, 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 blah. Whatever it is. Get your script down and just maybe role play with yourself a little bit. That's the only thing.
Or join the Discord and join the role play.
Oh, yeah, but that's another conversation for another day.
I'm gonna throw up.
Why, dude? Who cares? You're calling a bunch of strangers that don't know who you are. Just say, look, I'm calling because I'm absolutely certain.
I'm calling because I know you don't know me from a sack of potatoes, but I want to sell your house.
Are you happy that these are going to voicemail so you don't actually have to talk to people? Yeah, most people are.
I mean, if I had to actually, if my life depended on it, I would.
Why don't you act like it does? Can be. It can.
Welcome to the message management.
I love when it goes to voicemail.
You're like the worst person to do this YouTube video with. He's gonna call back now. It's a good, hey, by the way, that's a good way to leave a voicemail. If you're like, John, and you hang up like you're in distress, he's not gonna answer. What did you just say?
You've reached. You know, it's a mistake that a lot of new people probably make when they just press end on the phone.
It is, actually.
Because I have like a gut instinct to just.
Yeah, you have to hang up on the dialer. You can't hang up on your phone. That's a big no-no. The other thing too, when you book an appointment, pause the dialer, open your phone, create a contact, first name, last name, and then under business or company, put their address. I think one of the numbers that we're using is not whitelisted, so it's probably showing up as spam, which is not helping us. I'm doing this off a cuff, off the whim right now for you guys, just to get some entertainment, show you kind of how to set your dialer up, which that's kind of like a very extensive setup, the way that I set mine up, but just to like get it up and going and start dialing, it's very simple. You know, you go to expired, canceled, you pick the source that you want to call for sale by owners, expireds, whatever. I use triple line dialer. I do 6 rings. I use 3 different numbers, obviously on the triple line dialer, not just, I pick the 3 most popular numbers in the Tri-County area, which would be for me 305, 954, 561 going from south to north. Don't hang up on your phone. Don't touch your phone. The only thing you want to do is if I book an appointment with somebody and they say, yeah, let's go, you know, come over, I'm going to mute my phone, my actual phone, and then I'm going to come back to the dialer, pause it or whatever to continue doing what I'm doing. I want to mark that person under a folder. I usually do 2 folders, an all folder for everybody and then the folder that they should be associated with. So if it was like a warm lead, it's going under the all folder and the warm folder. And then I'm going to set up recurring reminders. I'm going to take extensive notes. Hey, yeah, it's Anthony Nucci, man. Yeah, no, I was just giving you a quick call regarding your property. Did you guys end up selling that, or is it still available by chance? Listen, you don't know me from a sack of potatoes. That's why I'm calling you, man. I'm one of the top brokers at Elliman. I know that your property should have sold. So. No, I'm not. No, it's not me. I just cold call. I'm not Grant Cardone, not yet. But yeah. Anyways, man, what are you looking to do with this property here? You got 2.3. You got a stable tenant in there. Is it still available? If we can get you the 235 or what? What's the story?
Yeah, I'm not selling it. I'm not selling it. What's all the interest in this property? I'm not put up a damn billboard. It'll pay me $85 a month. How's that?
Oh wow! So you're gonna keep it, reassess the value, and then maybe put it up for $3.5, $4 million. So you're gonna roll with this a little bit longer.
No, over 3. Over 3. Yeah, over 3. For sure. Listen, wait for me to domain. I'll have to transfer you for lost rents. Lost revenues are fucking close to $7 million, $6 million.
All right, like I said, you don't know me. You're a busy guy. Let's make this quick. Tell me how I can help you. You stay in this asset type? Do you look at other properties? Are you looking to assess anything else that you own? Are you looking to acquire? How can I help you? I'm more of a brunette guy, Will, but listen, whatever you want, man, we can make it happen. Now with the blonde, do you want?
I'm an old guy. I'm 64 years old. You know, you have to think about. God bless. We're gonna be forever. Something about legacy. What am I leaving my kids? What am I giving you about me? What did my fathers do for me? They're gonna say my dad.
They're gonna say my dad was a fucking legend. Yeah. They're gonna say my dad was an absolute legend and he ran highly and he ran Miami and that's it. So listen, sounds like we're in the acquisition phase.
No, I'm actually, I'm a wife out of disease, and so, you know, I deal with that. You know, I'm trying to tell my wife. And I'm trying to. So this is a commercial deal. I wouldn't really deal with this, but whatever. Cash flow? Just showing you how I handle it. I would ask to meet with him.
Any way we can help in any way, shape, or form. I have buyers that are looking up to 100 million. Would love to be an asset to you. What's the best email for you? You're the best, man. Enjoy your haircut. Talk soon. So I mute. He's still gonna talk. I'm taking my notes. I got his email. I might have asked him to meet, honestly. That guy was funny.
He knew who you were.
No, he didn't.
Baby.
And buying real estate.
He said, Nucci? Nucci? He knows who you are.
No, he doesn't.
Baby, he knows who you are.
No,
he says,
he doesn't.
I see your videos on YouTube.
No, he said, I see videos on YouTube buying real estate for 0% down. All right, we'll watch it after. I don't think he did. But anyways, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna I'm gonna assign this to Jake. On my screen, it gives you the ability here. I went to set up a follow-up call. I clicked agent to assign to. I clicked Jake so that he knows what's going on. I'm gonna set for recurring, maybe like every 30 days, but I'm gonna have Jake give him a call tomorrow. That's gonna be the end of it. So look, I didn't hang up on my phone. I just muted it. Okay, he hung up. Nothing else is happening on my dialer. I don't want to like show all of his information. Let me see if I can just show the top part here. Actually, I hope it doesn't zoom in. So I'm gonna hit contact so that I have my metrics ready because you guys make a major mistake of this. You don't have any of your numbers, right? So if I were to coach you right now, you call me and you're like, Nucci, holy shit, you're the best cold caller ever, which I am. I'm working on this thing. How can you help me? I'm gonna say, how many calls have you made in the last 30 days? Oh, I made, I don't know, 2 hours a day. No. How much? So it's probably, you made 20 hours worth of calls, right? Not 60. How many appointments did you set? I set 2. I'm gonna say, dude, your conversion rate's an issue. And I'm gonna be able to pick this apart and figure it out. So if you guys are really looking to grow, scale, and build your real estate business from the ground up like I did, kid from Michigan who was selling $80,000 pieces of land, moving to Miami, listing $30 million in 90 days from doing exactly what I just did right there. If I have 10 of those conversations every day as fluently as I just did with that guy, I get 5 emails and I book 1 meeting, that's how you're gonna make your 500 grand a year as a realtor. So if you wanna learn more about that, go in the description here. There should be a link to go to one of my free live trainings. I'll break this down. I'm gonna hold nothing back. Comment the word live if you see this on Instagram, and would love to be able to show you guys what we do and what we've done to teach over 1,500 agents around the globe. So like, comment, share, subscribe. We're not done yet. That was just one call, but a little CTA in between just for the love of the game. All right, Sheina, it's your turn now. You said, what's a Nucci? Because it said Nucci. It said, no, my caller ID.
I know.
Sheina, my caller ID.
He said, Anthony Nucci, I know, I see your videos.
No, he said you sound like I know you. I don't know you. He said that. You're not listening.
Hey, it's Sheina.
Say cough twice if you can hear me.
Cough twice if you can hear me.
Yeah, don't actually say that, dude. Just say shut up.
Hey, my name is Sheina. I was calling about your, can you hear me? Hi, I was calling about your home in, did that end up selling?
Why are you calling me? It's on the market with a broker.
Well, for me, on my end, I see that it came off the market, and I was calling because I know it should have definitely sold already.
It probably is on the market. This was like a month ago.
Oh.
No, he hung up. Dude, you're like a year behind. You have to ask 2 questions. Like, is it available or did it sell? You just said, did it sell?
Oh, you gotta do like this or this.
Yeah, it's a yes or it's a yes. I want like an open-ended kind of, well, actually I want a binary open-ended. We're gonna handle the objection and then we're gonna try and go right for the motivation right off that. So the framework would be, it's gonna be intro, the question, bold claim, pitch for the meeting, overcome the objection, motivation, re-loop, and try and pitch again. That's more or less.
Does anybody else's heart just like, every time they don't answer the phone?
I don't know why you're
Is it just me?
I don't know why you're freaking out about it, dude. It's not that big of a deal.
I can see if he's available. Actually, no, he is not available. Where is this coming?
My name is Sheina.
I had an offer for him regarding his property. Should I call back later?
Okay, how can I help you?
I had an offer for him regarding his property. Is this his cell phone or business?
No, this is the office.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, I'll try giving him
Should I call the number?
Should I give him a call number?
I'm not aware of his number. If you do have a number, I would suggest you call that, but this is the office.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Should I call this number?
I think that's his secretary or something.
It's the office.
Hi, it's me, Sheina.
Huh?
My name is Sheina. I was just calling about your property and
So?
did that end up selling?
No, it's still for sale.
It's not for sale?
It's still for sale.
Oh, it's still for sale. Okay, I mean, on my end, it looks like it came off the market. That's why I was giving you a call.
Is it still actively listed with an agent or?
I can come off the market and see the listing agreement expired.
Oh, okay, I understand. So you renewed that?
No, I didn't renew it.
Oh, you didn't. Okay. Are you still looking to sell it or
How you doing? It's Anthony. I'm Shayna's team leader here. I couldn't help but overhear the conversation. I'm looking at your property. Looks like you guys had it on the market for like a month. I'm confident you can get the number you're looking for, absolutely certain of it. So I'm looking to see when you're available to meet so we can show you what we can do to get it sold for you. Are you available tomorrow?
You got a potential buyer. If you got a buyer, you bring it to me and I'll sign a compensation agreement. Otherwise, I'm not listing. You're the 70th real estate guy in Colleague that wants to list it.
I wanna help you sell it. There just happens to be a process. I get how frustrating this can be. I have to work with these agents. So I want to be the 70th first call and the last. I don't want to bring you a buyer. I want to bring you multiple so you can get the most amount of money. But before we even get there, if we can get you the 2.8, can this be a quick closing? Do you already have the next place picked out, or do you want to sell this first and then get your ducks in a row? How can I help you?
I can move right away. Okay, perfect. That's easy then. If you have a buyer, you bring them to me. Otherwise, no listings. It's always no.
Last thing I'm gonna do is waste my time here. I wanna get you the buyer, I wanna bring you multiple people. Let me ask you a question. It sounds like you're just doing this for sale by owner right now, correct?
Yes.
Got it. I can appreciate that. Was that just because of the first agent, like you didn't have a good experience?
It's all right. He's okay. The second one that just left, it's okay. It's just that they didn't bring me qualified buyers.
Yeah, it sounds like he wasted your time a little bit. I don't want that to be a reason you don't work with another agent in the future. And I don't want to take up too much more of your time.
Well, it is. It is. Yeah, I get it. I might have a contract right now. I'm just waiting. Good for you. You want to check with me tomorrow? Yeah. Okay.
That's amazing. Good for you. I'm happy for you. Let's do this because I'm going to be in the neighborhood tomorrow anyway, meeting with a client. Why don't I stop by for 10 minutes, shake your hand, get a look at the property. I'll tell you what I would give you as far as advice and what you can do and you can run with it.
Call me tomorrow. I'll set something up.
Okay. I'm going to plan on 2 o'clock. You're the man. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye. I mean, that guy is absolutely insane. But that's what you have to do. You have to keep like hitting from different angles. You have to keep like, I'm raising my tonality. Dude, I'm frustrated too, dude. I don't want to make this freaking phone call with you. I got him to agree that the agent sucked. Dude, I get it. I'm pissed off that you had all these phone calls too. I got to work with these people. Here, now.
is your mom or dad there?
Timmy, is mommy home? Timmy?
I can't take your call.
I'm gonna.
Oh my God.
Number in a brief message, and I'll call you back as soon as possible. Thanks. Have a great
Little
day.
Timmy.
Bye.
Timmy.
When you put it into the because I can see.
I'm gonna assign it. I already signed you a lead. I already assigned you a lead earlier. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, he was a nutcracker. He was hilarious.
It's a commercial.
It doesn't matter. He was hilarious. We'll partner up with somebody if we need to do it, or we'll just do it ourselves. We don't need anybody, bro. It's not that hard. Tomato, tomato.
We don't need anybody.
Yeah, we don't need anybody. I'm sick of this. Yeah, it's bullshit. I go. He goes, what the hell is a Nucci? I go, it's Anthony Nucci. And one of my guys in the Discord, Tom Gavin, he's like 70. His line is like, you don't know me from a sack of potatoes. And I said it. Dude, this guy was crying, laughing. It was so funny. He's like, I want to leave a fucking legacy. I'm like, damn right, dude. I'm like, you're a good father. Your kids are proud of you, man. I go, listen, how do I help you? Are we selling the properties? Are we buying more? Are we fixing and flipping? You want a property appraisal? How can I be of service? I want to go to work for you. He goes, bring me a blonde. I go, I'm more of a brunette guy, but if you want a blonde, I can do that too. And
Right.
And I go, but let's dance. And I said, give me your email. I'm gonna have my associate. It's me, Sheina.
It's me, Sheina.
Come on.
Hi, how are you? This is Sheina. I was calling because I see that you're, I don't know if it's your home, but the property it came off the market. Did that end up selling, or is it still available?
He hung up. Who the hell are you again?
How are you?
I'm sorry, tell me who this is again. All right,
I don't want to anymore.
No, we're gonna redial him.
No.
And you're gonna say-
You're gonna talk this time. Please, save me. Save me because I'm gonna cry.
Okay, we'll redial him. I'll take
It's like I know what I'm supposed to say, but then
He's gonna hang
throw
up.
up.
He's gonna hang up. He's gonna fucking erupt, dude, if this guy answers.
Really?
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice
You know
messaging
what?
system.
This is fun. I'm gonna call him tomorrow. So that was 79 dials. We spoke to 5 people. You choked on 2 of them. We got 1 meeting for 2.8 million. And then we got 1 email for 2.5 million. Sheina, you did amazing. I love you. That's somebody who's never cold called a day in her life. Maybe like
I've cold called once before.
yeah, well, maybe an hour collectively in her life. But the frameworks that we use can be applied in any market, any price point. It doesn't matter. If you guys want to know exactly what to say, how to respond, when to say, what to say, how I get the expired listings before anybody else, if you want to learn my scripts, my opener, my objection handlers, so you can book more appointments like that, go to comment the word live if you're on Instagram. We're going to do a free live training on all of this. It'll be an hour and a half long. I'll pull back the curtain. I'll hold nothing back. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, follow, share it with a friend. It means a lot. Sheina, you can do your outro and then we're done here.
I'll just make a comment. I've watched every single one of your videos. I've been there while you film your videos. So in my head, like, I know what I'm supposed to say, what I'm not supposed to say, but that just goes to show that role playing, because obviously I don't role play, I never have. But like, I feel like if I practice what you preach, I would have gotten it so good.
So yeah, guys, I would love to help you. I would love to show you what we do. It doesn't matter where you're at, doesn't matter how tall you are, doesn't matter how many calories you eat a day, doesn't matter how many languages you speak, doesn't matter if you're a natural born salesperson or not, it does not matter. We can help you. I promise you that. Anyway, we're gonna go eat because we're probably gonna get viciously angry and hangry here in a second, like I am. My stomach's starting to growl.
The food's at the door.
Oh, okay, please.
Should I go get it?
Please, absolutely. Love you guys. Can't wait to see you tomorrow at the free live training. Comment the word live, we'll send you an invite. If not, if you're too cool for school, then that's on you, baby.